So I've been messaged a number of times that there's this other dude actually named Clayton Chapman who is like a super chef dude, right? But little did you guys know, I also cook food myself. I'm just, not good, but I do what I can. And I often get asked, what do I actually eat to stay in shape? Or, try to stay in shape. And sometimes I get asked, what do I actually eat for cheat meals? So normally I don't eat a lot of cheat meals and I eat pretty simple. And honestly, looking at myself lately, I don't actually even think I'm ripped enough to deserve a cheat meal, but I did kind of eat a big cheat meal recently. So here's something that I like to make myself maybe once or twice a year for fun, right? And that would actually be golden graham s'mores. And I got asked, how do I make them? So let's watch me make these fucking bad boys, right? So here's the directions on how you're supposed to make them, but I can't read well, so here's how I make them instead. Although I probably should actually try the real way eventually to compare, but anyway. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some golden grams, right? Golden graham cereal to be specific. Some chocolate. I picked 2 different kinds of chocolate flavor bars because I wanted to. I'm a double threat, I guess. Some marshmallows, vanilla or imitation vanilla if you're poor like me from a poor family, or some Caro light and some Caro light corn syrup sauce, whatever, and some butter, right? So first, take some baking spray. Spray your pan so it's not going to get too sticky at the end, right? Now, take a tablespoon of vanilla and put it in your mixing bowl. Or if you have absolutely no idea what the hell you're doing, spill it all over the place like me and just say, fuck it, right? Close enough, right? Guesstimating can work here. That's the beauty of this all, right? Next, you need some butter. Once again, I'm winging it, so I'm just going to cut half this thing and throw it in there and pray for the best, basically, right? Now take half a cup of Caro light corn syrup or whatever the hell this stuff is called. Pour it in, dude, right? Now take your chocolate, right? I decided again to use half a bar of this dark chocolate and half a bar of some milk chocolate to mix it up, right? So then throw those dudes in. Now put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or more, or till it starts to melt a little bit. I generally have to go back and forth looking at it multiple times because I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just guesstimating. Once it kind of gets melty a little bit, start to mix it a little bit. Then after it starts to get creamy, take your marshmallows then and then throw that in there and start mixing it again. Then you go and put it back in the microwave. Again, try to heat it up a few times. Whatever, once it starts to get a little bit more warm, gooey, you know what I mean? Make it easier to mix, right? Now take it out. Now put in those golden grams, right? Now try again to guesstimate how much golden grams you want. I don't know how much you want. Again, I'm guesstimating. It's up to you. I basically just dump a shitload in there until I feel like any more and I'm going to be regretting it. That's basically what I do, right? So next, you start the mixing process again. It's probably pretty sticky and pretty hard, but you know what? If you were a nerd growing up like me, you probably got some good forearm action going on, so it's no problem, right? Now after you mixed it up, dump it all into the pan, smash it down, dude. Pretty simple. Let it sit for a little bit, then you're good to go, right? Pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. Again, I don't eat a lot of candy or sweets, really. I don't eat a lot of cheat meals, but every now and then I'll go out to eat sometimes, or I'll eat some donuts or some other kind of treat, or maybe once or twice a year, like I said, I make this kind of stuff, right? So these can be, how long are these good for, should I say? I would say these are probably good for a few days or so. Maybe longer, depending on how you keep it, whatever, right? But generally, if I'm going to have a cheat meal, I try to food coma myself, so I'm going to eat this all in just a day or two, right? So I don't really like having a big, super sugary taste in my mouth, and I don't want to be eating a bunch of junk food for like a week straight. So you know what I mean? If I'm going to cheat, I'd like to just eat it all, almost all in one go, right? So anyway, I think they're good. Try them out. Let me know what you guys think. People are asking what I do, a bodybuilding cheat meal, or just whatever I eat, I guess. The end. Look how beautiful this shit is, dude. It's going to take me one piece. Just a small fucking piece. Fucking beautiful, dude.